Fix Xbox app error code 0x80070015 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Run Windows Store App Troubleshooter. Starting from Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter could be a good idea. If that didn't work, fix 2. Adjust permissions for Windows Apps folder. The Windows Apps folder is where your games and apps live. If your user account doesn't have the proper permissions, you might run into error 0x80070015. In the Security tab, click Advanced. Next to the owner name, click Change, type your username, and hit OK. Check Replace Owner on subcontainers and objects and click Apply. In the Permissions tab, make sure your user account has full control. Click OK to save your changes. If that didn't work, Fix 4. Reinstall Gaming Services. Gaming Services is key for the Xbox app. Reinstalling it can fix underlying issues. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video.